Hi guys, it is time for us to get our warm-up going on for foundations. I hope everyone's doing well. Um, you know, just in case you need to laugh, find a way to make yourself laugh. Honk honk. Yeah. And what do you say? Here we go. A apple a. Repeat after me. Don't laugh at me. E ed e. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up all ball all. Am ham am. An fan an. And we're back to the beginning. Next, we are going to do our trick word race. Are you ready? Okay, let's put a couple units in and try to say it before I do. As, has, to, into, we, he, she, be, me, for, or, from, have, do, does. Awesome job, everybody. Okay, everybody, check it out. We have some words to read now. I'm going to highlight the base word, and I want you to read it, and then read the whole word. Ship, ships. Kid, kids. Chill, chills. Bell, bells. Tops. Try to do it with me or before me. Pit, pits. Net, nets. Bud, buds. Shell, shells. Pin, pins. Shed, sheds. And here we have some glued sounds. P and pan. A bonus letter. Cuff, cuff. Him. And another glued sound. And ran. Nice job, everyone. I want you to try again to read all of these words without me. Go ahead, I'm watching. Great job, keep going. Okay, way to go. I have a question for you. Which word rhymes with tan? Yeah, here it is. Ran, tan. Those words rhyme. Which word rhymes with sits? Here it is. Sits, pits. Those words rhyme. Find the word that rhymes with hops, like a bunny hops along. Can you find it? There it is. Hops, tops. Those words rhyme. Find me a word that rhymes with beds. I like to have comfy beds. Here it is. Beds, sheds. Those words rhyme. Okay, so here's what I want you to do now. Go get your whiteboard, and I want you to pick 5 words from this page, any 5 that you want. Write them on your whiteboard and practice marking them. So if they have a suffix ending, you'll underline the base word, circle the suffix. What will you do if there's a bonus letter? Yeah, you'll put a star. And the other thing you can mark is digraphs. I see a few digraphs on here. What do you do with those? Yeah, you underline them. So I will put my little chart up to remind you of how to mark them while you work on this. 5 words on your right board. Write them and mark them. Pause right here until that's done. Okay, you did your 5 words. That's fantastic. So the next thing that we're going to do today is story time. Every unit we have a new story, and this unit, our story is called Mac and Bugs. All right, so I am going to tap and get some scoops so that it's going to help me read it smoothly. You know what? I think I'll scoop the whole story. And let me make sure that you can read the whole story. Okay. I might have to move it over a little bit to help you. So here's what we're going to do. I want to know before we start reading, what do you think it's going to be about? The title's right over here. It's called Mac and Bugs. Any ideas? Who do you think Mac is going to be? And what's going to happen with the bugs? I don't know. Okay, let's read and find out. So I'm going to read the sentence and I want you to repeat it after me. Okay, here we go. Mac is not a fan of bugs. Not one bit. If a bug gets on Mac's bed, repeat that. Mac gets mad. And I'm right here. Mac yells at the bug. Get off this bed, you big bad bug. If the bug does not go, Mac yells for his dad. If dad is not there, Mac runs. Nice job reading along with me. So here's what I want to do. I first want to know, who are the characters in this story? The characters, the people or the animals? Mac. Yeah, who do you think Mac is? A young girl or a young boy? Okay. Who else is in the story? The bugs, good. And Dad. So we have like 3 different characters, 2 that are humans and 1 that's a bug. And what's the setting? Where does this story take place? Where are they? How do you know they're at Mac's house? Yeah, they're talking about it's on his bed, so that's probably at his house or his apartment, wherever he lives. Very good. So here's what I want you to do now. I want you to try to make a movie in your head and picture all these words come to life. That's what can make reading really fun, when you can really see it happening in your head. Okay, so I am going to read it to you again, and you can actually close your eyes. And then I'm going to pause and have you tell me what you're seeing. Here we go. Close those eyes. Mac is not a fan of bugs. Not one bit. If a bug gets on Mac's bed, Mac gets mad. What do you see in your head? Maybe Mac's face is looking angry because it said he gets mad when he sees the bug land on his bed. His face shows that. Okay. Here's the next part. Close your eyes and picture it. Mac yells at the bug. Get off this bed, you big bad bug. What are you picturing now? He's looking at the bug and screaming. Have you ever seen someone scream at a bug? I haven't. Maybe a fly, like, shoo, get away. Okay, let's try this part. Close those eyes and picture it. If the bug does not go, Mac yells for his dad. What are you picturing for that? I'm picturing Mac like looking around and saying, Dad, help! The bug won't leave. Okay, last part. Close your eyes and picture it. If Dad is not there, Mac runs. What do you see in your head? Yeah, I see him run out of the room and the bug just stays on his bed. What's he gonna do when he comes up to his room later? It might be under his covers. Oh no. So how do you think Mac was feeling in this story? Yeah, he was mad and frustrated, and then maybe a little scared at the end because the bug wouldn't leave. Have any of you ever had something like this happen with a bug? Thank you for sharing. All right, nice job today, everybody. You can put your materials away and we'll see you next time. Watch out for bugs.